This is one thing that you need to know about life. When you ask someone, do you love your family? Most of them will answer, yes, I do. But when you look into their life, they have failed to understand. Before you can love someone else, you must learn to love yourself. If you drink every night, if you have a habit of drink and drive, if you are a heavy smoker, or people who like to drink sugar water or eat unhealthy food, you will put yourself in the risk, and this might affect your health. And by that time, how are you going to love and care for someone that you love? Instead, they will have to look after you. That is why when you go on plane, they will always remind you, put your mask first before helping others.